Hey guys, Marlboro M2C, and I've got another carbon fiber exterior mod I picked up from AA Concepts. Just received it. It looks good and I can't wait to install it and put it on. Like many, I followed the BMW M2 Cup, and I saw that the cars had carbon fiber canards or plastic canards that were attached to the car to provide downforce. And I thought that might be something nice that I would like to do to my M2, and sure enough, I was able to find it through AA Concepts, and I'll link to his website at the bottom of the page.
Here's where we'll install the first fin. We'll measure it up and we'll clean off the area with a little bit of alcohol so that we can adhere the 3M double-sided tape that will. These are the pieces that are going to fit onto the car, onto the panel. It's going to fit like this. And what we want to do is we want to get it flush so that the air hits right over here and it hits it straight, and then it guides the air aerodynamically upwards. We don't want it to be too level, and this will come up and it would defeat the whole purpose of getting the downforce that we're going to supposedly get with this. Even though I'm doing it more for cosmetics, theoretically it provides a little more downforce and a little more stability, holding your front end down when you're cornering at higher speeds. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up to make sure that I have it flush and even. We'll measure it out, and then we'll use the 3M double-sided tape. I'm going to use a 30-pound mount, which I can remove rather than drilling holes. So I'm comparing a picture that I have from the AA Concepts website of how they aligned it and how they set it up. And I'm going to extrapolate the information and try to measure it up and see if I could do about the same with the right angle. There's this, as you can see, there's a smaller one and a bigger one. A smaller one that goes on bottom. This one right up on top. We'll angle it up. Should look pretty good. I'm going to use my own 3M tape on here. I'm going to use a little bit heavier duty, something that'll work a little bit stronger. And we'll put this one right down over here. So it comes with the double-sided tape. I'm going to remove his tape that he kindly supplied us with, and I'll use the 30-pound 3M Scotch. And I'm hoping that even with the PPF that it'll hold, and I won't have to scrape away the PPF, which I don't want to do. So hopefully they don't fall off, but they should be nice and secure. Okay, so I'm going to place the double-sided tape up on here, and once I have the double-sided tape on, I'm going to try to adhere it to the car body.
Well, here I'm measuring for the fitment and to make sure that I have the right heights and the right levels, and you'll probably be best doing the same. One of the benefits of the 3M tape is that I can lightly and temporarily apply it just to check the fit and the angles, and if I have to adjust it, I could before I press it on. Measuring the distance between the two canards.
Right at 5 inches. This is the way I like it set. And I think it looks good for the way I want it. And that should produce a little bit of downforce there.
Checking the height from the bottom, rechecking so that I can do the exact same thing to the other side. The AA Concepts carbon fiber canards are quite easy to install and put on yourself. The AA carbon fiber canards are quite easy to put on, and they look great, and they're made from a very, very good quality. I'm installing them just as much for looks as anything else. Of course, theoretically, there is some downforce there, but I feel that it makes the M2C look more aggressive.